Hello all, welcome to another quick learning. Today we're going to be going to Excel and looking at how you can paste the values instead of just pasting the formulas. Also, if you're looking at a row of data, you can paste that into one single column instead of a row, or take a column and paste it into one row. Alright, so set up here I have a unit price, which is just the calculation of sales divided by quantity. And let's say for some reason I wanted to paste this into a new column. So if I took this and I tried to paste it, you would see it's shifted the formula. So I could go in there and I could change the formula, but let's say I wanted to do it in a different sheet or something and I just needed these values and not the actual formula. So if I select this again, if I just need the values, then I can go up to, so I copied that by doing Control C. And then if I go here, you can see there's an option called Paste Values. So if you paste the values, if I go into these cells, you can see it's just the value. It's not the formula as we have in the other ones. So this is also helpful if you have a really big worksheet and you have a lot of calculations that you don't need to calculate all the time. It'll really slow the workbook down. You can go ahead and select the whole column and then paste values, and then Excel won't have to keep recalculating, so it will speed up your workbook and things won't slow down when you change things. So now let's say I've got these columns that are a sum of the sales, the quantity, the discount, and the profit, etc. And maybe I want to summarize these in a different sheet. So let's go ahead and take these labels here, sales, quantity, discount, and profit. I'll go ahead and Control C to copy those, and I'll create a new sheet, and let's paste this in one row one column A here. So if I go to paste, you'll see there's also an option called Transpose. So what that's going to do is it's going to take something that's in a row and put it into a column, or if it's in a column and I do transpose, it'll put it in a row. Alright, so now I've got my labels. Now I want to get the values that are associated with that. So like we did before, I'm going to select this, and this time I don't want the calculations, so if I do just go here and do Control V, you're going to see it's going to do the calculations and they're not going to be correct because it's going to be referencing the rows here instead of the rows in the other sheet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to Control C to copy that, and now I'm going to go up to this paste menu and I'm going to do paste special, and it's going to give me all these different options. I want to do paste values because I just want the numerical values, not the actual formulas. And I'm also going to check the transpose so that it will take it from that single row into a single column. And so there we go. Now I've got my summary of the sales, quantity, discount, and profit. Alright, so I hope you guys were able to follow along with that, and now you know a little bit more about how you have different options for pasting cells. Thank you very much. I hope you join me for future videos.